Welcome to Road Zone Reviews, your ultimate destination for the hottest car news and in-depth reviews. Today, we're diving into Kia's latest update, a brand that continues to push boundaries with striking designs and cutting-edge tech. Our focus? The 2025 Kia K8, the stylish successor to the Cadenza in South Korea, now sporting a major mid-cycle facelift. This isn't just a minor tweak, it's packed with exciting upgrades. Let's break it all down. The K8's new look Kia phased out the Cadenza in the US back in 2021, but the K8 has been holding down the fort in South Korea. Now, the 2025 refresh brings a bold new design in line with Kia's latest styling trends. Front end, vertical headlights and a sleek LED light bar give it a futuristic vibe. The Kia badge has been relocated from the bumper to the hood for a cleaner look. Rear end, the fake exhaust tips are gone, finally, and the redesigned bumper adds a more refined touch. Interestingly, Kia tweaked the front and rear overhangs slightly for a more sculpted appearance. Upgraded interior inside, the K8 gets some smart refinements. Climate controls are now positioned below the center vents for easier access. More premium soft touch materials elevate the cabin feel. A new LED, ambient light strip runs across the dashboard. Rear passengers get illuminated, seatbelt buckles, a nice touch. Safety? Kia didn't skimp. 10 airbags come standard, along with adaptive high beams that dim selectively to avoid blinding other drivers. Performance options: the K8 offers multiple powertrains. 0.5L 4-cylinder, 195 HP, 183 lb-ft torque. The E. Base option: 3.5L V6, 296 HP, 265 lb-ft torque. The only AWD-capable engine, 0.5L LPI, liquid propane injection, 237 HP, 231 lb-ft torque, for those leaning into alternative fuels. Hybrid, 1.6L plus electric motor, 227 HP combined, coming later once certifications are finalized. Pricing and availability starting at $27,300, the K8 is a solid value, with the top trim maxing out around $37,800. All models, except the hybrid, hit South Korean showrooms this month. What do you think of the new K8? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button and subscribe. For more fresh car content, see you in the next video.